How to fix blurry font and programs on HD screens in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you installed Windows 11 on your PC and you're experiencing blurry fonts, this tutorial might be the one you need. I'll give you two ways to fix this. The first one would be to open up the search and go to Adjust, which is the Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows under the Control panel. Open that up. Now you want to click Adjust for Best Appearance, click Apply and then OK. Once you're done with that, you want to restart your PC and see if that resolved the issue. If not, go back to the magnifying glass or search bar and search for regedit, which will come up with the registry editor. Right click, run as administrator. Now, in here, we'll change some values. So you might want to get yourself a backup file, which would be File, Export, save this file where you can find it again. And in case of emergency, restore the original values. Now let's go and fix our blurry font. Now double click HKey current user, go to control panel, and then under desktop, where click desktop itself, not the arrow. You want to scroll down until you see Win8 DPI scaling. Double click and change the value to 1. You would then hit OK, but mine are fine, so I don't do that. And the next one would be to check for log pixels. If there's no log pixels in here, as you can see, last updated leftovers, so there's none in here. You want to go over here on the right of these texts, right click, new, dword 32, then name it log pixels. Just as you see on the screen, this is important. Enter, double click, and enter 78 as value data. Hit OK, restart, and you should be good to go. And the blurry font and blurry programs should be fixed. If not, you can reload your backup right in using import, and then you should be good. If this resolved your problem, I hope you liked the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.